Yellow. Red. Blue. Blue. Red. Yellow. Blue.
Yes!
Yellow. Blue. Okay, Christian. Mama ka, Christian. Hawak ka sa blue. What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
Okay guys, for today's video, bibigyan ko ulit kayo ng challenge ng Don't Touch the Color!
Yes!
Okay guys, yung mananalo magkakaroon ng 100 pesos.
Woo!
Kung sino guys una maka 5 points, yan ang mananalo.
Okay.
Okay, so ready na ba kayo?
Ready!
Okay, kisa na gusto mo yung color mo doon. Itapat mo kayo, yan. Yan, okay? Ulitin ko guys, don't touch the color.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
ready na ba kayo?
Ready!
Okay, game.
Babawal yun, di ba? Dalawa?
Bawal ang dalawa guys ha. Game. Red. Yan ha, mabilis ha. Blue.
Huh?
Oh, Ana.
Ano ba to?
Yes, blue na rin yan. Parang blue kasi yan.
Nalito ako na
Okay. Christian, meron ka ng 1 point.
Yes!
Blue na yan, blue. Blue na ang tawag yan. Kasi parang blue siya eh. Okay, game. Yellow. Ana, ang bagal ha, ang bagal. Game. Blue. Ay! Okay, walang nanalo, walang nanalo ha. Game. Blue. Red. Bawal ang doble ha, bawal ang ulitin ha. Blue. Blue. Red. Oh, Hana.
Nalito ako, guys.
Hana. Meron ng 2 points si
Ay,
Christian.
focus.
Okay,
Focus
mag-focus
na.
ka Hana.
Ito.
Okay, so bago natin ituloy to, shoutout muna sa ating mga viewers.
Shout out, guys!
Yun guys, huwag niyo kalimutan guys mag-like sa aming video na to.
Yes.
At syempre guys, don't skip the ads.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Game. Red. Blue. Mabagal ha, mabagal.
Bilisan mo.
Yellow. Oh, Christian.
One
Christian.
point.
1 point na si Ana.
Si Christian ilan?
2.
Eagle eye.
Game. Red. Blue. Red. Yellow. Oh, Christian. Okay. Ana, meron ka ng 2 points.
2 points.
Blue. Red. Oh, Hana.
Eagle's eye. Guys.
Okay, Hana. 3 points na si Christian. Si Hana, 2. Okay.
Pahabol pa.
Ready, focus.
Why?
Yellow. Oh, Christian. Okay.
Nakakalito na
All
kasi
three.
talaga.
All 3 guys, ha. Game.
Eagle's eye.
Blue. Red. Yellow. Blue. Red. Bawal ulit ha, bawal ulit.
Ay!
Yellow. Blue. Red. Yellow.
Okay, move on.
Muntik na. Blue. Oh, yan na. Hana.
Pero
Meron ka
kasi
ng
tayo,
4.
palit mo yung red.
Meron ka ng 4 Christian. Hana 3.
Ayun na.
Okay, Christian, pag nanalo ka dyan, meron ka ng 100.
Naka-eagle's
Pesos.
eye mode na ako.
Okay? Yellow. Red. Blue. Blue. Red. Yellow. Blue.
Yes!
Yellow. Blue. Okay, Christian. Mama ka, Christian. Hawak ka sa blue.
Ang
Okay,
daya
on
pa.
4.
No, on 4. 3
Yes.
na lang siya eh.
4 na siya?
Bakit na siya?
Hindi, all 3 kanina eh.
All four?
Tapos nanalo ka, 4 ka na.
Okay.
Tapos sinalala naman siya na ngayon, di po, all 4. Okay, sa bago natin ituloy ito, shout out muna kay Mr. Hawaii.
Shout out, Mr. Hawaii!
Okay, shout out. Thank you so much sa e-bike, Mr. Hawaii.
Thank you so much sa Iba.
Okay, so gagawa natin ng video yung e-bike guys,
Yes,
soon.
guys, soon.
Okay,
Ay,
game?
Eagle's Eye Mode.
Game
Philippine.
yellow! Guys, kung sino nang mananalo dyan, siya nang mananalo ha. Red! Blue! Yellow! Red! Blue! Yellow! Uy, hindi ka na. Nakapokus. Nakapokus yung dalawa guys. Red! Blue! Yellow! Blue! Red! Blue! Blue! Red! Blue! Yellow! Yellow! Blue! Oh, magaling, magaling. Magaling, magaling.
Eagle's Eye Mode.
Blue! Blue! Blue sabi!
Eagle's Eye Mode.
Blue! Red! Red sabi! Blue! Red! Yellow! Red! Blue! Yellow! Blue! Yellow! Yellow sabi! Ayan na, bawal yun ha. Bawal yun.
Na ano,
Okay?
nung wala na
Game.
yung kamay ko.
Huwag mo kasing lakasan. Yellow! Oh, Christian!
Ano ba yan?
Okay, Christian.
Ready na siya eh.
I'm so sorry, Christian.
Ready na eh.
Natalo ka pa
Ate,
niya.
manawa ko!
Nawakan mo, Christian. Kitang-kita ng tatlo kong mata.
Ay, bantay.
Okay, Hana, congratulations. Tanggapin mo ang 100 pesos. Okay, Hana, congratulations. Tanggapin mo ang 100 pesos. And guys, once again, thank you so much for nanood. Huwag niyong kalimutan mag-like, share, comment, and
Subscribe!
bye-bye guys. See you next vlog.
Bye-bye! Subscribe!